So I hope that the screen is visible.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
we.
Okay, so yeah, so we are here on this occasion, and yes, so this is second session of our Jigyasa Quiz Club's weekly quiz on 26 June 2021, organized by me, that is Vishnu Upadhyay. I welcome all of you to this event. Now, I have already, yeah, so rules. A bit intro to the quiz. So there are 15 questions, among which five are star marked and rest are not. So I want to tell you that question number 4, 6, 9, 13, and 15. These are the five questions which are starred. They are two markers, and they are having two parts. So while you are answering them in the Google form, make sure that you separate the two parts with a comma. Okay. Now the star marked question are having 2 marks, and the rest have 1 marks. The total marks stand at 20, and I request you all to please not use search engine. And the yes, each one marker shall have a time of 20 seconds, and two marker will have time of 40 seconds. And the timer shall start after the explanation of the question is done. As in, after I explain the question, then timer will start, and just after 20 seconds at one marker, the next question shall appear. So I guess that rules are clear to all of you, and if there is any sort of query, then please let me know. Now we are and yes, I have given the link of Google form, and I think Google form is activated too. So yes, without a delay, let's start the quiz. So yeah, this one is question number 1. An interesting question. This war is a very popular war of world history. This war took place in the midst of the Cold War in 1960s. This war shocked the entire world, for its results were really shocking and were not acceptable for many. Recently, this war came into a limelight as a flashback to a very recent tussle between two countries. Name the war. A very popular war of 1960s. If you are a world history geek, then you might know about it. And also, if you read current affairs, then recently there was a very alarming tussle between two countries, and that tussle reminded us of that war. That war was in a way the cause of that tussle, and very popular war in its own sense. You need to tell me the name of that war. So timing starts now. Now next question. Question number 2. X was created by two people from a software company, but they did not made it for the purpose of other doing that field. Recently, X became very promising in that field. Many people attribute a very famous entrepreneur for the same, but many feel it is just a bubble, a term usually associated with a hyped up thing of that field, name X. So I am telling you that X is a very popular. I think you must be knowing X. That what is this X? And it was created by two people from a software company, but they did not made it for the purpose of other doing that field. They made it just for something else. They were not that ambitious while making this thing. But recently, very recently, like in a span of just 1 year, X became very promising in that field. Whatever the X is, it became really, really popular and promising that people started trusting it in a sense. But many people attribute a very famous entrepreneur for the same, because that famous entrepreneur in a way supported X. But likewise, many people also feel that it is just a bubble. Bubble is a term that is used for a thing which is hyped up in that field. Name X. 20 seconds starts now.
Can you give some hint?
I have given hints, enough hints. If you look up at the newspaper, then you might know about the answer. X is a very, very popular thing. The field which it belongs, I cannot tell you that, then the answer will be really evident. But yes, I can give you the hint that bubble. If you know what is bubble in that field, then you are absolutely going towards the answer. Now let's move to next question. Question number 3. So yes, this is an image-based question. This man is an Indian businessman responsible for establishing a very famous company in the field of medical sciences. This institute is the largest manufacturer of something in the world. Identify the person. Let me show you the image. Yeah, this is the image. If you know him, very popular person indeed. And the thing which he established is a very popular thing nowadays. Like all of us know about that institute. Yes, you all know about that institute. And if you are watching current affairs, then you are surely aware of this man. And this man is a very popular man in the field of medical sciences. Just name this man. Just tell me who is this? Who is this person?
So means he
Time.
was the founder of that institute. Now,
Question.
Yeah, kind of founder of that thing.
What
Yes,
is the
so
question,
presently is
Bhaiya?
not. Presently
yes,
is not that. Presently is
you
not
tell
the
you
head of
need
that
to tell
institute.
me who is this person, as in who is this person whom we are talking about, who this is the image of that
Can
person,
you
and
show
he
the
started a
question?
particular institute which is the largest maker of something, and that something
We
is
have to write
very
the name of the
very relevant
person.
nowadays. And I think this question
We
is a
have to
very
write.
very cakewalk for you all of you. Yes.
We have to write the name of the person.
Yeah, the just the name of the person. I don't want the name of the institute. Very
So
easy.
the question,
What?
show the
Yeah,
question,
question,
please.
question. This is the question. Man is the Indian businessman responsible for establishing a very famous company in the field of medical sciences. Institute is very largest manufacturer of something in the world. Identify the person. Very easy
Okay.
question. If you look up at that word, largest manufacturer of something, and that something is the thing which is all about going in the world right now. Next question now.
You have given even hints. Don't give any other hint.
Yeah, question number 4. Very, 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 very relevant right now. I will show you an image. That image is a Poltoon.
It's a easy word.
The Poltoon was made by Global. What happened?
Nothing. Continue.
Okay.
Sorry.
This Poltoon was made by Global Times. I will show you the Poltoon just in some time, which is a Chinese media agency, and it was in response to a certain global event that took place recently. There are many animals sitting on a table resembling another famous and sacred art of Christians. Let me show you the image first. Yeah, this was the image. I got this blur image only for inserting. So yeah, sorry for that. Okay, so I think you are getting an idea of what is image is about. So there are many
What is the
animals sitting.
question, Bhaiya?
I am telling you the question. Just wait for it. I'm just telling that this image is about a particular table sort of thing where many animals are sitting and they are discussing something. Actually, China had mocked this particular meeting via this Poltoon. You need to tell me on what meeting, on what a particular event, global event, very popular global event that happened recently in just 2 weeks before. You need to tell me what is that event. And the second part of this question, this is a star mark question. Just beware of that. The second part of this question is that I am asking, this particular image resembles a very very popular sacred art of Christians. Christians have a very popular art, and that this image, this particular Poltoon resembles that. Actually, Chinese media had created uh, that वो जानबूझ के उन्होंने ऐसा किया था to insult these countries and also to insult that particular sacred art. You need to tell me both. What you need to tell me? First, you need to tell me that what was this global event on which this cartoon is made, and the second, you need to tell me what was this sacred art of Christians, which this particular Poltoon resembles. Yeah, Poltoon is
Done, Bhaiya.
political cartoon. Okay, if you are wondering on what is Poltoon. Okay, so I think the question is clear now.
Yes.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, so let's move to next
It's a
question. I
easy
think this
word.
was easy one if you are aware of current affairs. Recently, this became a very, very, very big issue internationally. and for diplomacy. Now today's next question means, yeah, a very popular question in many sense. X is a place which was excavated multiple times from 2005 to 2018. Yeah. In 2018 excavation, many path-breaking discoveries were made. All of them included a carrier. Name X. I will show you an image. Yeah, this is the image. So this is the image of that particular carrier which was found in X. And after lot and lot of excavation that happened in several rounds from 2005 to 2018, there are many groundbreaking discoveries that were made in X. A very popular news
Yes, bhaiya,
item
yes.
is became, yeah.
Nothing, bhaiya. Continue,
Yeah.
continue.
Yeah, this became a very popular news item recently, and I cannot tell you much because it will be a very direct hint. But yes, it became very popular recently, and this had something. This break something like it broke a certain historical theory, which was supposedly true till then. It made several groundbreaking discoveries. I think this question is very easy for you all. Just tell me
Bhaiya,
what
please
is
show the
this.
question.
Hey, can you show the question?
Yeah, I'm showing you the what is this place. Name that place where this chariot was found. Okay, just I want that place name, which is also known as
Yes,
X.
bhaiya, done.
Yeah, done. Next question now. Question 6. Very interesting question. And star mark 2. Beware of that. 2 marks. The following image, which I will show you, is of a treaty that marked the foundation of a great political unit of the world. Okay. And in 1849, a person had given a statement as a future vision. You know, that particular political unit came into existence in the 1990s. But this person from 1849 gave a future vision of that particular thing. And he said, a day will come when all nations of our continent will form a dash brotherhood. A day will come when we shall see the United States of America and the United States of Dash face to face, reaching out for each other across the seas. I don't want the name of what is filling the blank. No, I don't want the blank. I want the organization and the treaty. Let me show you the image. Yeah, this is the image of that particular treaty, a very popular treaty in many sense. If you are a history geek, you must know it. And yeah, so I am just asking that what was this treaty and what is the name of that organization that was established via this treaty? And this organization's future vision means this organization was established later, but in 1849 a person had given a future vision, like he saw that he thought that this organization will be established someday, and that is why he gave this statement that a day will come when all nations of our continent will form a dash brotherhood. You know why I have given that blank? That blank is because that blank was in a way giving much hint for this question. I don't need the name of that blank. No, I want the name of the organization and the treaty. A very popular organization in many sense. I think the question is done. Is it?
Just a minute, भैया.
No, no minute. 40 seconds over. Next question I will move to.
भैया, when was the treaty signed?
I cannot tell you when was the treaty signed. That will be a big hint. Anshul, and you are a history geek too. I cannot take that much. Uh, you know. Now, next
Okay,
question. I
भैया.
cannot wait more. Yeah, this is a very interesting one. We hold human lives sacred beyond words. We are neither perpetrators or dastardly outrages, nor are we lunatics as the tribune of Lahore and some others would have it believed. Force, when aggressively applied, is violence and is therefore morally unjustifiable. But when it is used in the furtherance of a legitimate cause, it has its moral justification. This was the statement given by X upon an incident in which he was arrested. He was trying to escape his arrest but rather was trying to show why he did that thing. Okay, so let me explain to you. This was a statement that was given by X, a particular very very famous person, Indian person, and this was given by him when he was arrested for a particular incident. He was not trying to escape that arrest. You know, he was very very brave, and he was not saying to the police and the government to not arrest him, but he wanted to show the people of India that why did he did that thing, and that is why he gave this statement. A very popular, very brave
Question
and
is
celebrated Indian in many sense. This question is
question
really really, yes sir.
question is very easy. Don't give much hints.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm not stressing much. Okay, I will not give much hint. Just to figure it
Move
out.
to the next.
Yes, sir.
Is the
Question number
first
8.
man is
Yeah, question number 8. This siege has very little records to rely on. There have been multiple attempts in order to define this siege, but all failed. Some say that the original records of this siege was kept in the Nalanda University library, but was later wasted due to the fire caught in the university. Many Indian soap operas have tried to depict the siege, but were not historically correct. The best source on this siege is the 8th century book, but the story in this book is full of drama and does not sound realistic. Name the siege or the famous ruler attributed to it. Let me explain this question. This one is a little bit complicated. So, yeah, this question talks about a very popular war in Indian history, and that war, that campaign, that particular siege of a particular city that took place very, many years ago. And we don't have records of that campaign, as in how the armies had fought that battle, how the siege took place, how that war ended, and we have no records, very little records. But there have been multiple attempts in order to define this siege, this capture, this war. And some historians say that the original records of this siege, the original records of this war was kept in the Nalanda University library. But later, we all know that when what was his name, Bakhtiyar Khilji, he invaded Nalanda, he had burned the library, and in that library only the records of that war were wasted. But many Indian soap operas, means serials, Indian serials, tried to depict the siege, the war, but they were not historically correct. They had shown, many non-existent things. The best source on this siege is the 8th century book. In the 8th century, a book was written for this, defining this siege, this capture, this war. But that book is not very realistic since it is full of drama, and it is like it is like that soap operas only. Well, it is like that serial only. That is why the historians don't trust on that book. I need the name of the siege and the or the famous ruler. You can give either of the name. What was this siege? Let me tell you that this siege is a very popular one. I am 110% sure all of you know about this siege, this war, but none of you might know that how this war took place, because no one of us know how this war took place. Okay, is this question? Are you able to understand this question?
Yes.
Yes.
Can
Okay.
you give some other clue?
I
Bhaiya,
cannot give.
we have to name the war.
You have to name the siege, name the war which took place. Very very popular war in the very very
Bhaiya,
means
what is the
many
time
years
period?
ago. Yes,
Uh,
What is
does
the
it have
time
some
period of the war?
connection to
time
mythology or
period I
something
cannot
like?
give. Time period I cannot give. Yes, I can tell this much, that many years ago,
ancient,
even before the Mughals, before the Guptas.
Before
Okay,
the Christ. Before the Christ.
before the
ancient India
Christ.
simplicity.
Yes, very easy. Yes, sir.
Ancient India, you can say simply. You
Yes,
cannot
yes, sir.
define the
Very
period.
means many very popular war in reality. Now let's move to today next question. Question number 9. Again, a very interesting question. Okay, Charles Mason, a deserter of East India Company, was traveling through the regions of Balochistan and Pakistan, and when he, in some way, records something in his book. The book was narrative of various journeys in Balochistan, Afghanistan, and the Punjab. He mentioned something which was later declared as long lost and was remarked as a mistake of historians. But he mistaken the timeline of something. What is this something and what mistake he did? I'm just asking that. Let me tell you, the question is about a particular person, Charles Mason. He was a sepoy of the East India Company, and when he was traveling through the region of Balochistan and Pakistan, in some way he recorded something for the first time. He saw something there, and he recorded it. And the book name was this, narrative of various journeys in Balochistan, Afghanistan, and Punjab. In this book, he mentioned something which was long lost for many years. We Indians, the historians of India, were not aware of this. And that was very shameful. And that is why it was remarked as a mistake of historians. But while describing that something, while describing that thing, he mistaken the timeline. Means he assumed that something to happen at particular time period, but that was wrong. Later it was found that it was not in that time period. I am asking what is this something and what mistake he did. One mark each. Is the question? Are you able to understand it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next question. Let's move to. And let me tell you, this something is a very popular thing. All of us know about it. Like today in history textbooks, we cannot imagine Indian history without this something. Let's move to next question. Question number 10. A mu is equal to 116592040 bracket 54 into 10 to the power minus 11. This was the result obtained at one experiment performed on anomalous magnetic dipole moment of X. This discovery shocked the scientists as it was a huge deviation from the theoretical value. This led to the uproar over possibility of the time travel with the help of X. Name X. X is a particular thing on which a particular experiment was done recently, and that experiment's result is this number, and that number shocked the scientists as it was a huge deviation from the expected value, and this also led to the uproar that maybe time travel may be possible with the help of X. Just name X. I will not give much time on this very easy question if you follow current affairs. And Prateek must know this. Now, next question. Yeah, connect the following images. There are 8 images on your screen. There are many, let me tell you, neither the connect is freedom fighters, neither the connect is Congress leaders, neither the connect is that they fought for the nation, nothing like that. I am asking for a very, very, very specific connect. I will give you 20 seconds. Now, next question. Identify both the faces. No part points. 20 seconds.
I think this is a repeated question.
How? This is not the repeated question.
No, means earlier quizzes sir has asked this question.
Oh, I didn't knew.
I am.
If you know, then write it.
Yeah, someone asked this question. I don't know.
Okay,
who
okay.
asked,
If
but
you know,
someone
then write
asked
it. I will give you the points. Don't worry. Time over. Next question. Question 13. Interesting one. Mahatma Gandhi and Tagore entered into a famous debate over the ideas of X. Gandhi thought X was devoted to the British and favored English education system, to which Tagore objected his views by writing, X had the full inheritance of Indian wisdom. He was never a schoolboy of the West and therefore had the dignity to be a friend of the West. To which Gandhi responded by saying, I do not want my house to be walled in all sides and my windows to be stuffed. I want the culture of all lands to be blown about my house as freely as possible, but I refuse to be blown off by my feet by any. Who was this person, or identify X? What was this sobriquet that X was associated with? There is a very, very popular person X, and on his ideas, once Mahatma Gandhi and Tagore they entered into a debate, and Gandhi used to think that X was devoted to British and he favored the English education system. But Tagore objected that, and he thought and he wrote that X is a he knows about the Indian wisdom and he knows about the Indian culture, and he is never a schoolboy of the West. And then Gandhiji again responded by saying this particular statement. I want you to uh, please look on the statement which Gandhiji said. That is a big hint to this question. Second thing is X died much years earlier than this debate happened. Means this debate was happening in the years of 1920 to 1940s, but had died many years earlier, and X was not existent at that time. He was a man of the past when this debate was occurring. Identify X. And yes, and you need to also tell me that what is the famous sobriquet or the pseudonym that we associate with X. Like Mahatma Gandhi is called Bapu. You need to tell me what is the other name of X. Time is running. I cannot give you much time. Okay, yeah. Next question now. Question number 14. Very easy question. These are the name of certain people. You need to put the funda. Put the funda means you need to tell me what is this about? Who are these people, or in some sense, what is the connection of these people with a historical incident? 20 seconds begin now.
Vishnu,
Okay.
move to ahead.
Yeah. Now next question.
Easy question of class 10.
Yeah, sir. Now, this one is really interesting. The following image is of a person associated with something. He is wearing a blue coat with gold embroidery, a black velvet lining, collar and cuffs. I will show you the image in some time. Blue cloth trousers with gold and lace, 2 inches, a beaver hawk cocked cat hat, and a black silk cockade, and ostrich feathers, and a sword. Let me show you the image. Yeah, this is the image of that person. He is wearing this dress, very popular dress in those days. You need to tell me what is the connection of this dress and with our nation, as in this dress which he is wearing is very, very, very special, and in many sense it is very special to the current structure of our nation. And many people don't know about this dress, but they know that to which thing this dress was associated. This dress was associated to something. Every one of you know about that something, but you may not know that what that what is this dress. And just asking, why is this dress so special? And the second is, how does this dress connect to the current situation or current structure of the nation? Okay, the
You are
image
talking
of the
about
dress is
structure
this.
of what nation? Vishnu.
Current structure of nation, India. I'm talking about India.
So structure means what? You are talking
Structure
about
means
situation, the
political
present
structure,
condition.
political structure of nation of our country. Okay, I cannot give much hints. I think this is this has a very easy answer if you know. Now submit answers. I will give
Vishnu,
you just
Vishnu,
yeah. Tell Dil.
can you show question number 11? Can you show question number
I will
11?
show
That
you in a
image.
while. Okay. Question number 11. Yeah, this is the connect the following images. Very easy question. if you apply
Okay,
a
done.
भैया
big
क्वेश्चन
logic-
नंबर 2.
question number 2.
5 minutes left. Vishnu.
Yeah, 5 minutes left.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why, sir. I'm doing it fast. This is the question. Tell me what is X. So yeah, I'm
Look towards the answers now. Are they
sir. I will
submitting?
first of all
The last
stop
भैया
that.
last question.
Just 3 responses have come till now. I want 4 responses. Okay, 5. Fast, please, everyone, since the meeting will end in some time. I think
6, 7.
and I need to share the answers also. Everyone, please submit it fast. How many are
You
there?
guys are playing. 7, I think.
7 are only there.
No, there are 10 students, no? Only
8.
11.
see mostly 8. Where are the other 2?
Isle
Karan?
has some- Fast, I need to share the answers to. Yeah, 9. So I will close it now. I need to share the answers to.
Last one. Last one.
Okay, Karan. Karan, I know you are Khan. You have written by mistake Khan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm stopping the responses. Yeah, so
Somebody has
you cannot
submitted.
now. Yeah, so I have already.
Bhaiya, by mistake it was written.
Yeah, I know, Karan. So
Show the answer immediately.
yeah, sir, I will show you the answers. I have already, imbibed in this. So answer will let us see the answers now.
Israel-Palestine war.
The first is 1967 Six-Day War. If you have written Israel-Palestine War, I will give you half marks. If you have just mentioned the year 1967 is an important year. If you have mentioned that, I will give you full marks. Okay?
भैया मैंने जून वॉर लिखा है जून वॉर
नहीं गलत जून वार ईयर लिखा है 1967
जून वॉर वही है 6 डे वॉर
पता है मुझे लेकिन 1967 you have written 1967
या उसका नाम ही अब इतना फेमस है तो
okay I will give you marks okay yeah this one is Dogecoin this is
इसका बिटकॉइन लिखे तो
Bitcoin is wrong absolutely wrong absolutely
Bitcoin का भी bubble है?
no I have written already that it became famous due to a very famous entrepreneur this was a
तो वो तो बहुत सारा बिटकॉइन ले रहा था एलोन मस्क
I am not telling
Elon
that
Musk.
recently it
Dogecoin
became famous due to a very and also I have written they did not made it for the purpose other do in that field okay so don't play
भैया
with me
बिटकॉइन भी उस पर्पस के लिए नहीं बना था
see I am telling you Bitcoin was made for that
नहीं
purpose only.
Dogecoin नहीं बना था.
Please master. this
Dogecoin
will
was
be
not
last.
made for that purpose. Bitcoin is not the answer. Dogecoin was what I was looking for. And also I
Okay.
told you, recently it got very popular. Okay, in that span of 1 year. And I have already written that thing was is very different from the normal thing which is in that field promising in that field. And you know
Move
that
to the next.
in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is the most famous thing. Now let's move to the next question. Yeah, answer of this one, anyone?
Serum Institute.
Cyrus
He-
Poonawalla.
Cyrus Poonawalla, absolutely correct. Cyrus Poonawalla was what I was looking for. Serum Institute is the incorrect answer. I was looking for the person who is this man. Next question. Yeah, anyone? Tell me the answer.
It's the Last Supper. It's the Last Supper painting.
Yeah,
which was
art is the
drawn
Last Supper.
and
Which
in the
event?
middle, it's the bald eagle which
Seventh
floats the
Amendment.
judges.
I am
And
not
this is
asking
the
about the Last
before
Supper. Last Supper is one of the answer. What is the name of the
Last Supper
global
is the
event?
G7 summit. G7
G7, yes, absolutely correct.
It was
I was
G7
asking
held
for
in Britain.
yeah, G7 meeting or G7 summit and the Last Supper. Absolutely correct.
Yes.
Now this
I've
one,
also included one.
Sinoli.
Sinoli, yes, Sinoli.
Sinoli, yes,
Sinoli excavation. Now this one, anyone?
NATO.
No, not NATO.
European Union.
Yes,
European
European Union
Union
and treaty.
Maastricht
Maastricht Treaty, absolutely correct. Maastricht Treaty. Okay. Now next question. This one, anyone? Very easy. Very easy. No.
Bhagat Singh.
Yes,
Bhagat
Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh. Very
So
nice.
simple.
This one, anyone? Anyone was able to crack it?
Trojan War.
Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya.
Chandragupta Maurya. I was looking for that.
कैसे
Chandragupta
चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य भाई?
Chandragupta Maurya's
भैया 100
Record.
को पैरा के चलते मेरा हो गया।
of war.
अच्छा.
चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य की जो युद्ध जो उन्हें लड़ा था नंदों के साथ, that is not recorded, and some say that original records are burnt in the Nalanda University library, burning. Okay, this is the answer.
Okay.
Siege of
Good question it was.
325 BC. Yeah, I know it's a good question. Yeah, this one, anyone?
Harappan ruins of Harappan civilization.
Yes, ruins of Harappan civilization.
बताया था timing.
And Alexander Camp.
क्या mistake क्या था?
Alexander Camp.
Timing
Yes, correct. Timeline is correct. You have said right. He assumed it to be the time of Alexander's campaign in India. Now this one, anyone?
Listen, I have not written that. Vishnu, I have not written that timeline. I've just written that Harappan.
So one mark.
civilization.
So 2 out of 2 you will get 1 mark.
You asked for name X. तो name X में वही आएगा ना, और क्या आएगा उसमें?
What you have written?
I have written that it was the Harappan ruins.
No, I was also asking what mistake he did. See, I have written here what mistake he did, and I also told you all. I was asking that.
Okay. I didn't see all the question. Okay.
Yeah, I think the time is running, so let's just finish it. Yeah, this one, anyone? Answer?
Music.
Yes, Muon G2. Muon G2, the particle. Okay, this one?
They all were lawyers.
All are lawyers.
No, I have said no, not that easy connect.
The Constitution Assembly के
Airports
members
named
थे.
after them.
No, not, yeah, you are some close members of Constituent Assembly, but there are some specific members.
Drafting.
Maybe drafting
No,
committee.
not
because
drafting
they are
committee.
Okay.
Yeah, so they are the presidents of committees of the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly had 13 committees, and they all were the president of each of them. Means B.R. Ambedkar was of drafting committee, Jawaharlal Nehru was of Union Power Committee, and like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Tayyipul Erdogan and Vladimir
Jeremy
Putin.
Corbyn and Putin.
What?
Vladimir Putin and
Jeremy Corbyn and
Vladimir Putin.
Jerry Carbonell and ये Vladimir Putin. Correct.
It's Jeremy Corbyn.
Yeah, I have it in the
Yes,
spelling wrong. I know. Yeah, this one. Who is this person? Fast.
Thomas Macaulay.
No. Sir, can you tell?
Yeah, Karl Marx.
No, sir, not Karl Marx.
Marxist theory.
No, sir.
Because he told
Okay,
He is
the
the
answer
Ram.
is very interesting. I know that none of you might be knowing it. The answer is Rajaram Mohan Roy and Raja or Rajaji. Okay. Now next question.
So what was? Okay, चलो कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah, that was the person's name. Next question. Put the funda. Answer of this.
Chauri Chora.
Chauri Chora. Yes. What is the relation with Chauri Chora?
They all were burnt in that.
Yeah, you need to write that in the Google form that they all were the policemen who were burnt in the Chauri Chora incident.
Yes.
ठीक है? Then I will not give marks.
राजा जी गोपालाचारी को कहते हैं ना उनका
What?
को हुआ था विष्णु फैमिली को नहीं
धीराज गोपालाचारी का नाम है ना वो तो राजा जी
क्या?
नहीं राम मोहन
नहीं, राममोहन रॉय का है।
राजा
Title
राम
बोलो।
मोहन रॉय, राजा राम मोहन रॉय।
उनको अकबर टू ने वो नाम दिया था।
अकबर
Yeah,
टू ने
Question number
हाँ,
15.
अकबर टू ने।
Yeah, this one, anyone was able to guess it?
प्रेसिडेंट
no
बॉडीगार्ड
No, no.
नेहरू कोट
And it was the dress of
Nehru
Indian civil services before the
Yes,
independence.
yes, it was the dress of Indian civil services. And the second part is since imperial civil services succeeded the IAS, but the uniform did not. So uniform was not carried out later in the IAS, but the services was succeeded. So this was the two-part answer. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah,
Very good. That's all are.
thank you. Result shall be declared by